In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change voice in Claude AI. If you want to customize how Claude sounds when it reads responses aloud, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. Adjusting the voice settings can make the experience feel more natural and better suited to your preferences, whether you want a different speaking style, a different language, or a faster or slower voice speed. To get started, look at the top left corner of the Claude interface and click the sidebar icon. If the sidebar is already open, you can leave it as it is and move on to the next step. This panel gives you access to your main navigation and account options. Once the sidebar is open, go down to the bottom left corner and click on Your Profile. This is where Claude keeps your personal account options and app preferences. After that, click on Settings to open the configuration menu. Inside Settings, stay in the General category, then look for the Voice section. This is where you can control how Claude sounds when voice playback is available. In this area, you'll be able to adjust several voice-related options, including the language, the style, and the speed. If you want Claude to speak in a specific language, you can choose that here. You can also fine-tune the overall listening experience by changing the speaking speed. A slower speed may be easier to follow, while a faster speed can be useful if you want to move through information more quickly. To change the actual sound of the voice, click on Style. When you do that, a drop-down menu will appear with different voice choices. Each option may have a slightly different tone or personality, so it's a good idea to listen before deciding. Next to each style, you'll see a blue audio icon. Hover over that icon to hear a preview of the voice. This is especially helpful if you're trying to find one that sounds clear, comfortable, or simply more enjoyable for longer listening sessions. After previewing the available options, select the voice you prefer. Once you choose it, your new voice setting will be applied and you're all set. That's how to change voice in Claude AI. If you want the best experience, take a few extra seconds to test different styles and speeds until you find the combination that feels right for you.